Hello and welcome to join me on my weekly long run. Let me just tie my shoes first. So it is around 2 degrees today and raining. Nice! I signed up for the Movistar half marathon in Madrid in April. That is in 19 weeks. When I ran the Gothenburg half marathon earlier this year, I followed a 13-week plan. It went okay. I didn't injure myself, but I didn't finish very fast. 2 hours and 9 minutes. So this time I'm changing it a bit. I will take all the suggestions from my Garmin running watch and prepare for Madrid. It may not look slippery, but it is. There's a thin layer of whatever. So, according to my watch, this is supposed to be a base run. I'm not entirely sure what base means, but my rough understanding is that I should keep my heart rate below 150-ish. So I'm listening to my Garmin in preparation for spring in Spain. Ooh, lovely spring. Special knots do release very well.